Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. And if you like our efforts, please share these videos in your SAP circle as sharing is caring. So in last session, we have discussed release procedure for purchase requisition. So we just configured that release and we just checked that, right, like is that working or not. Now we are going to release that actually. So how we are going to release? Let me open notes. So we are going to release using T code ME54 and ME55. Yeah, so here it is, PR release. So we have already configured that and we have tested that, like that was triggered in header level, right, at item level. So what's that header level release and item level release? I will discuss that in next session. So first let me release that using T code ME54N and ME54 and ME55. So with these three codes we can release. So let me release first using T code ME54N. So just go to SAP server, right, and here we'll use T code ME51N. Then we'll try to create, first let me take as INB because I have configured that for INB and DNB. So INB is import PR and DNB is for domestic PR. So we have configured that in last session for INB and DNB. So let me create a PR, fresh PR for that, and let me see like that will triggered or not. So let me check. Just see, in item level release strategy tab just came. So you can see like manager, senior manager and plant head need to release that first. So the yellow icon here you can see that means the release is possible right now. So what I'm going to do, I will just save that and let me save that on notepad. So let me save here. Now if I will try to create a PO, if I will try to create a PO with respect to this PR, let me check what will happen. So let me just give PR number here, purchase requisition number here, and check. So vendor, purchase org, purchase group, plant, so plant net price, let me take 100 rupees, and quantity, let me take 100. Now see, purchase requisition not released. So this error system is throwing right now, like purchase requisition not released for ordering. So first that authorities like manager, senior manager and plant head have to release that. Then only that PR can be converted to PO or RFQ. So how I'm going to release that? Using T code ME54N. So ME54N, and to here other purchase order, purchase requisition. Let me give my purchase requisition number here, hit enter, and now you can see in release strategy tab I can release from here. Once I will just change from here, change mode, now I can release. If I will just click on that, this will release, right? Now you can see release affected with release code manager. Now you can see that yellow icon just came, that release possible icon just came to senior manager. That means now senior manager release possible is there. So senior manager can be released right now. So I can release like that from here. Now you can see plant head release possible. So let me click here also, and it will also release, right? So if I will save that, it will release, but I'm not going to save because I just want to show you another method, like another T code ME54. So let me do that. I'm not going to save that ME54, right? So release code. So here I just need to give the PR number and release code. So what's the first release code that need to be released? So first code is, what's the first code? So first code is for import, first code is manager, then senior manager, then plant head. So first code is manager. So let me release through manager, MG release code. So just hit enter and select this, and you can see release and save. So I just click on that and it will release. So purchase requisition change, that means it's released. Same I will just go do for senior manager SM. So release code SM, hit enter, select, release and save. So that's also released. Same for plant head PH, enter, select, release and save. So it's also done. Now if I will try to create a PO with respect to this PR, I will able to do that. Let me show you. So if I will try to create a PO with respect to that PR, let me give vendor purchase org, purchase group, company code, and let me give PR number here. Just check, it's okay. So tax I will remove. Now just see, you will not face any error like the document must be released first. That type of error you will not face because that's already released by those authorities. So enter and save. Now you are able to create a PO. So that's a PO number here. So system just created a PO number for that. So that's how we are going to release, right? So T code is ME54, ME54N and ME55. So these three codes we use to release. Let me show you ME55. So with these three codes we can release ME55, right? So this is the way to release PR. So these three codes we can use to release PR. Now you can see what I need to give here. I need to give a release code here. So if I will try that, it will show already released, but let me show you. So release code manager, and here I just need to give a PR number. So hit enter, execute. You will see no suitable purchase requisition found because already we have released that. So that's a third way to release. Like that, I will just give senior manager SM, and here we'll just mention purchase requisition number and then just execute. Then it will like release that. So these are three T codes through which we can release, like ME54N, ME54 and ME55, right? Right. So now you can create either RFQ or PO. So I can create a PO as well as RFQ. Let me show you RFQ. I can easily create RFQ. But if it's not released, the system will throw a message, pop-up message or pop-up error, like that can't be released. Like you can't create ME54N. Like you can't create if you are not going to release that first and you are trying to create a PO or RFQ, the system will throw a message, pop-up message like this can't create it because the document is not released yet, right? So here what I'm going to do, I will just give a quotation deadline date. So let me give any date after that, after 4, and purchase organization, let me do with reference to purchase requisition. So 101, I guess. I guess this is a PR number. Yeah, this one. Hit enter. Now see, it's showing no suitable item exists for purchase requisition. This. System is not fetching, it's okay, but you can create RFQ as well as PO with respect to this PR number, right? So that's how we used to release that. But you can see note, but without release the document you cannot create RFQ or PO. So just write it down in your notebook. So that's a note, like without releasing you can't create RFQ and PO, right? So that's all about how we can release PR, and in next session we will discuss difference between header level and item level release, right? So thanks for watching complete lecture. Thanks a lot. And if you want to enroll to our complete SAP MM course, you can contact us in the number given in description box. So thank you. Thanks a lot. May God bless you all.